I know you may be interested in any of this platform. This one, oh, there's light. This one or this one, or this one. Anyway, in this channel or this period, I want to share all these codes. I built these sites. I've made money building this site for people. So, but this particular month, I want to share these codes free. Sorry, not free. I want to make videos on how you can build site like this using this code. How you can build giant site like this. All of them are live distant sites. You can check it. You can see the domain names here. So you can see this. I see this. Crypt feeds. Crypt feeds. Was crypt feed changed? You see this. And you can see this. Okay. So this is what you can easily find out. Wonderful when you do it. Okay, basically for this tutorial I'm going to talk about this particular site, how I made 400k building these sites. So you can see this is live projects, commercialized already, and people are using it, and the owner or the company I built it for are making money with it. So after this guide, I'm going to make a guide on how I built this one. I'm going to drop the source code, the code, that is the files, so you can actually download it and build your own, make your money, charge your clients. But I tell you the truth, none of these sites cost less than 150,000. None of them cost less than 150,000. This is from 150,000 and above. Most of them are charged 240, 180, 400, and rest of them. But in this month, I'm going to concentrate in releasing this code, and this is what we're going to do first. So follow me in this guide and get everything that is needed, step-by-step guide on how you can get this code, buy your domain name, buy your hosting, link them together, and launch this platform. See you in the class. 1, 2, 3, go now. Then the recording have started already. So I used to come to this Freenom. In case if you don't have a domain name or you want to get it free, you can come to Freenom. Yeah, it's recording, so you can come to Freenom and get it. So I've gotten a domain name, I've gotten a host space. I'm going to host it. So though this account, I'm going to host it on this this site now, cryptfeed.com. Look at it here. So I look at the site here. Look at this site here now. So I'm going to host it where I hosted this one now, this cryptfeed.com. Actually, this file is what I'm going to do the guides on how to upload it and host it now. So you see the site now here. So you see the same file that I used. I built this one. This guy his own was 150k. So now, but this particular file is still what I used to build this site. This crypto.com. This was that one I told that guy paid 140 now. And this one I told that guy paid 140 again. So, and this is the file I want to see it now. Let's go to God. Just simple thing. Once you get this file, I've finished this work, I've finished writing this code. This file is okay. It's hosted here. This one have a separate host. It's hosted here. You see it. Everything here. Both the plans, both the users, everything, both the reviews. And this particular site you're seeing that this have is already showing on Google because I've already optimized it to be showing on Google. That's why we use. That's why I say I also do SEO optimization. So if you go to Google here now and check that's cryptocast.com, you see it now that it's showing on Google very well. If the site is, you see it showing on Google, showing on Google. If the site even have a review from, there's a place called Trustpilot. Trustpilot have reviewed it. You have 4.6 from up to 20. They are paying you. So no, this was the site I did for that guy now. Okay. So then you can see they even have this. You can see different reviews. Just to tell you how far the sites have gone. Anyway, so but the aim of this guide now is to cash.com. So the aim of this guide now is to show you how I launched that code. It's very simple. If you want to own a site like this, the simple thing you can do is either you design by yourself, that is, you program by yourself. Okay. So then you can log in. This is who is about us. So I'm going to show you both the admin side. This is about us. Then you can read it. I'm going to show you how I did this thing. All these things just free. So I finished everything. So this is contact us. You can click on contact us. So you can this one. I have up to 5 different sites. You can see all these tabs I open like this. They are all different sites I've built within the space of 1 month. So I'm going to make this code available for people maybe that wish to get it. Okay, just guess how much do you think that I need to say this code now?
I don't know.
Okay, so
like how much? 1K.
This code, you can't say this code 1K. It is this code that is this side you're seeing like this. The code, this side you're seeing like this. See, I've downloaded it down. Here, look at the code. Is this one? I've downloaded it down. Okay, so I'm going to upload it to this server, to this host now. I'm going to upload to this host now. You see this cPanel. This is the cPanel here. That cPanel just opens. I'm going to upload it to this host now. So once I upload it, then I will put it to the root folder and then change and then create the what is called PHP my admin.
Yeah.
That one I showed you. Yeah. That one you're talking about that I installed. Look at it. I installed it here live. This one is the offline version, but there's a live version inside this cPanel. So I'm going to show you the live version inside this cPanel. So now let's go through this. So look at the page. Then let's assume I want to log. I have an account. I think I created an account as a user here. This one is already a commercial. This one is working right. So let me check. Let me click login. I have an account in this platform. So you can see it's the same code that I used to run this one too. So once if they buy that code, they'll be able to. So like I use the same code. I built this here. I charge this one up to 400k. It's the same code. And someone say I love this. A friend of mine told you now. He said you only have one feature, so we have no problem. Drop it. So if these people, and you can still buy this code and start to change its designs. Since this is red, you can start to make this one blue. Start to change everything here. Change the designs. I'll show you how to do the colors. This is red. You can start to change it blue. So and this one have certificate. I did this certificate. Is there this thing? It's already satisfaction and this is this. You see it. So you can change these designs within 15 minutes. You're done changing it. And you change your clients between 200k. Yeah. You can change your clients between 200k, 400k. They will pay you because it's not looking beautiful. Isn't this side looking beautiful? Beautiful. I guess so handsome now. So now look at this one now. Let me just log in and show you how it's going to look. Like you can see this is. You can see this is live. Okay, yeah, the thing continued. Okay, yeah. So now let me log in as a user now. As a user, and I still remember my username and my password. Like this goes like this. I think this is my password. Enter. So what's up? Oh, my network. Or this network. What is happening? My network. How will I not have network again? What? I have data. What really happened? I think there should be network. Yeah, it's going now. So that my network had issue that time. So now look at this. I've logged in now as a user now. So look at the amount I have here. My current balance I have 102,000. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? I have up to $1 million as my current balance, and I've deposited 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've deposited up to $1 million too. So here So if you check my transactions, okay, see my transactions, withdraw to deposits. Okay, if you check my deposit history here, so I want to see how many times I've deposited and okay. Look at the first one I deposited via Ethereum on 4th of February, and the deposit was complete. I deposited again via Perfect Money on the 5th of February, $500, and it went. I now deposited via paper, and it went through. Then let me check my other record. My transaction of this transaction. You can edit your profile, and this is investment history. Let me check my investment history. Check my investment history. So I have this one running. I invested $8,000 here. You understand? 10 days ago to complete in 10 days. Then you can start with this running.
It's looking like in my history.
Yeah. Then and everything here is for users here. Now let me log out. You can click get support, then you can feel support, or you can chat with admin panel here. So all these things are here. So and everything you can open new tickets. Maybe you want to send a ticket to that is a support tickets. You just put the field subject and everything you can confirm and open. So this is everything. You can say new investment. If you want to make an investment, you can just come up here and select from this plans here now. And you have different plans here. So what you do is just let me select 2,000 here, invest under this package. Then they will tell you that the commission is 15% and doesn't repeat, and the compound is 5 days. So then you see remaining balance. So I want to put how much from my remaining balance, $3,000, and per time I'm going to be earning $450. So when I click invest under this package, then automatically it's going to debit that $3,000 from my current amount. You understand now? And then invest in the same. Successful. So investment successful completed. They're going to email me. I'm going to receive an email now automatically here now. So I'm going to receive an email here. So but let me go back here. Now let me show you the admin. That's it. But now, so let me show you the admin side. For admin, let me log into admin. And now, so let's still remember that admin password. Okay, I think username should be. So I think this should be, and the password is going to be yes, 12. So let me see, enter. Do I still? Okay, yes, correct. I'm correct. So look at the admin dashboard now. This way admin manages everything that happens. So and on his dashboard is going to see the first statistics. Main statistics here. You have total user balance. You see it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have like $12 million plus dollars. So total repeats, total have repeated, total deposits, total withdrawn. Then pending, that is okay, this one is pending ticket, this one is a total open ticket, this one is total answer ticket, this one is closed ticket, this one is this guy have 135 users within just last 2 months that I opened it for him, that I built this one for him. So the company is really making sense. So just like that, etc. So now if you want to check if there is any payment that is still outstanding, you can check here. Check on all. I think this deposits. Check deposit is a view pending request. Let's check. Is there any? Yeah, there is. There is a as of this. Let me check. So I think I'm not permitted to touch here. You understand?
Yeah.
I'm not permitted to touch it because this is commercial purposes already and it's running. So let me just log out here. Then you can manage users.
They even give you transaction ID.
You can everything you do, you just everything. So let me just view all users. View all users. You understand?
Yeah.
So I think this one registered the February 6th, 26th. So look at the users here, everything, all the transactions they've done. Okay, this one still have $1. Let me view this user. View this user. Okay, this user, Zuya. Okay, user and the browser. Okay, no problem. So that's all about this code now. Now let me show you how I moved this code now and launch it. It's so simple, very simple now. It's very simple to do. Now I'm going to use what is called subdomain. Sorry, add-on domain. Okay. So add-on domain is that since I have purchased this host now, this host can enable me host like 3 sites in one host like this. Okay. Now, so it depends on how much. So you can come to Namecheap here. I come to Namecheap. Let's if you want to buy a domain, okay, Namecheap. Let me just click here. You see, so you can buy both domain and hosting here, and Namecheap.com. So coming to Namecheap here now. Namecheap will buy your domain name, buy your hosting. So first of all, let's assume you want to get this code now. This code that I'm sharing, this code here now. So I'm going to upload this code now directly to my Google Drive. You understand? So that once they want to get this code, they want to get that site. So there will be a link that they will download this. I think I've prepared a page. Look at the page I prepared here. I prepared this page. It's going to be the landing page. Once I'm done, I'm going to upload this video to this is going to be the landing page where the just come in. Let's just see step by step. So now here that is Namecheap. What you're going to do now is you're going to register a domain name and a host. Very simple. If you don't have already, so just click on this Namecheap here. Then click on, first of all, pick a domain. Click on domain name search. Then, so simple, search the name of your domain. For example, my domain. Okay, my domain name, and then you put .com or .whatever you want .com, and then click search. Then it's going to search whether it is available. If it is available, today it is available. If it is not available, okay, let's wait for some minutes or 2 seconds. Oh, sorry, my domain name is available. And shockingly, my domain name, my domain.com, was registered in 1995. That is to say, this domain is no longer available. So you now search one that is available. You see one that is available, you now click add to cart. After then, you now select hosting, shared hosting. Yeah, shared hosting can still work, and then add it to carts. Let me go to shared hosting now here. Then if you're paying yearly, you can pay $1. You can see just with the minimum of $1, you can buy 3. You can buy a host, shared hosting that can accommodate 3 websites for you, 20 gig SSD, or you can go for this plan, this one that you can host unlimited. You can host just one domain, unlimited websites, or any of them. There's so many other hosting providers there. It must not necessarily be a shared, so it must not necessarily be Namecheap. But if you're a Nigerian, I can suggest you use any other listing. You can use the Nigerian host like Google host. You can use Google host, Nigeria host, or you can use Cure servers, Trust host, and any of them can work. So, but if you want to use global or international host or foreign host, you can use Namecheap, you can use Hostiga, or you can use any of them. So now, having gotten this, they're going to email you your login details, both your hosting panel details. Then you now log in. I've logged in here now. I am at the cPanel of this site now. So what you do is, if you have like this cPanel now, I've already hosted the sites for it. So I've already hosted this cryptfeed.com that you're seeing here like this. So I'm going to add another domain. So and I got this domain from this Freenom. I got it from this Freenom, and it's free. I got it from Freenom. So, and I've already gotten it. I'm going to link it to this my space I have here. If you watch, you see that I still have like where's my add-on domain. Add-on domain means I can actually add another 3 sites to it. So you can see this is add-on domain now. So the 2 sites actually. See, I've not added any of them, so I'm going to add one now. So once I add it, you're going to see it. But in case if you just bought that domain and hosting, what you're going to do is you're going to come straight to File Manager here. Click on File Manager here. Then File Manager will open. Then click on public_HTML, or you can click here public_HTML to open. Then you upload your file here. Click upload, and then you upload your file. Select this file, which you're going to download from. I look at the file here, where is, I think is on my desktop. No, desktop. Then you select this file which you downloaded. These are the sites I've built, so you're seeing it like this. So you just select the file. You just select this file, then click select, click open. So I'm going to cancel it. I don't want it to cancel. So I want it because I've already hosted it now. Once it's done uploading, I'll now come to this place and unzip it. So what I'm going to do now is, watch me. I'm going to confirm. I'm going to add this domain I got here. This domain I got from Freenom here. Please class form.cf. So this is free, I didn't pay for it. So you can go to Freenom and register free domains and use it. So if you watch this site and this coin.float.cf, I got it from Freenom. I got it from Freenom, so I didn't pay for it. So, and I've already hosted it. That's to say, I paid little, yet I made big money for just hosting this site here. So now I'm going to link that domain here. Watch the way I'm going to link, here. So watch me now. I'm going to I'll go to this add-on domain, scroll down to domain, look at add-on domain, click on add-on domain, then I will add classform.cf, classform.cf, when I click add domain, as simple as ABC, very, very simple. So as the domain is adding, I want to show you how I got this coin float. See this, I'm going to do a video on this one, and I will also share this code too. So I built this one, and the client paid me and he has been using it. So this is the next code I'm going to share to you guys immediately after this one. So I'll share this code, how I build this one, how you too can just download this code. Very simple. Upload it to your cPanel, unzip it, and then edit it. So let me go back. Okay, good. So the add-on domain has been created. That's to say, it has been added successfully. Let me check if it is true. So let me check. Let me check this name now. And let me search it now. I go to this. I want to go now. Good. So you have added successfully. So now look at it here. See file manager. So now, or if you don't want to do file manager, just go back here. So click on cPanel here. Still same method. Click on cPanel and click on file manager here. You see it here. File manager, we are here. Assuming if that's, then you can click on this public underscore HTML. You see, what's it called? See this class from here. So I'm going to come on that class from here. Because this is the only folder that is active. That's why you're seeing it here. That's why you're seeing that. See that CGI bin. You're seeing there. That is the one that you're seeing here now. So I'm going to, it's either you delete it or you leave it like that. So I'm going to upload. So I'm going to upload that file here. Click upload. So now I'm going to upload it straight because I want to show you guys how you can just download that file as simple as ABC. Then you now upload it. So I'm going to upload it straight. Boom, I'll give it the data. This thing here is 54 megabyte. Don't worry, my internet is very fast, so it's going to upload as fast as possible. Then as fast as possible it's going to upload. So it's uploading. It's going. It's around 82%, 83. So it's moving 86, 89, 90, and 95. Do not cut it, just allow it. Boom. Allow it to shine. Boom. It's done uploading. It's 100% perfect. So you can either come back here, then click reload to see that file. Reload. Yes, you see the files here. I'm going to right click and extract it, or I'll see come to this place. I'll still go to this place, click extract. Same thing. So I can still right click here, right click, right click, then extract. Then I want to click extract files. Wait for it for like 5 minutes or less than that, depending on your network. The network is very fast, so you're going to extract as fast as possible. Boom, it's done extracting. So I'll close it. Then let me delete this one. I don't need it here now. I'm going to delete this one now. Delete it because no, let me not delete it. Let me move this. Open this folder now. I want to move. See another this thing here. So okay, I even have double files here. So I have double files here. This is very beautiful. Very beautiful. I'm going to this and that file, this and that zip file. I don't know. So I'm going to share this one. So you guys anyway. So let me move all these files here now to this root folder here. I want all these files inside this place. I want to move all this file now to root folder here. So what I'll do, I'm going to open this one now. I'll click select all. I'll now click move. Then I'm going to move it to the root folder. Then right click move. Want to go, it has moved. So alright, so move to the root folder. So I can now delete this folder. So delete, escape, delete. Then you can see delete this error code, delete. I don't need this one, skip, delete. So I can also delete this one. I don't need this one, delete, skip, delete. I can also delete this one because I don't need it again. You see? Okay, before then, let me configure my cPanel. Click on this settings here. Then select show hidden files. Click save. Okay. Hidden files. Okay. Sorry. This hidden files not showing here. Click here again. Say show hidden files. Here. Click. Select this one. Click save. I'm not seeing hidden files. I'm supposed to be seeing index underscore HTML. I'm supposed to be seeing .ht access here. Okay, let me check the domain now. Check this now. I'm going to have an error. Check this. It's going to be an error now. Composer dictated issues in your platform. Your composer dependency requires PHP 3 this and above to run. Okay, that is the error we detected. That's very good. Let me see this here now. This is still running. It's running normal. Okay, this is fine. It's very, very, very fine. So let's say if you have an issue like this, how do you solve it? Let's go back to that panel. Go back to this panel here. Sorry. Go back. Okay. Now come to this place. Click on PHP select version. Then, not in all cases that we see that error, but anyway, if you see such error, just follow this step. Because I've configured everything, but let's assume that error is there. So follow this step. Okay, everything here is okay. Everything here is normal. Let me select this. Select 3 and above. Set. Then set it. You set. Check this. So having unzipped it, then the next thing is you're going to see is you're going to have your files like this. Okay, let's have the files. When I reload it, I have this. So I've reloaded already, and I now have this. So you see, you now have exactly the sites you have there. So the next thing I'm going to do now is you're going to edit these sites. Now look at what to do after unzipping the code here. So after unzipping, what you do is go back to cPanel here. Come back to cPanel, very simple. Then click my SQL database wizard. Click on my SQL database wizard. Then create a database. Create a database. Let me call it a class form. Let's call it class. Click next. Then let me call the username class. Then my password is I'm going to have my password. Then I'm going to have my password there. Type it here. Okay. Then I'm going to click create user. Click create user. So simple. So I'm not going to show you the password. So I'll click check all privileges. Check all privileges. Very simple. I'm going to click next step. Very simple, very simple. That is all. I've created a database. So with this class, I'm going to copy this. Then I'll go back to the files here. Go back to the files, and then go back here. Go to the files here. Then edit. Come here. Click here. Then edit this .env file. If you don't see this .env file, I've told you what to do. You click on settings, then click on show hidden files. That is all to show that. Then click on this. We now click edit. Then edit this. So I'm going to change. Come to this place. Come to this place and put it. And put that one you copied. Paste. Come to this place again. I think I use both the username and the database will be one. Paste again. Then look at it. And so just come to change all this database connection, this to this. Then my password, I use then you put your password. So after that, I now click save, and I saved it. That's all. Then you now go back to cPanel. Go back to cPanel here. Then I will now click on phpMyAdmin. Click on phpMyAdmin. It will open that database which we downloaded, which we created. Sorry. So, and this is it. We created this class here now. So I will click on it. I'll click on this and then upload that database, this .sql file in this file I'm going to share with you. So everything is there, both the zip file and .sql is there. So I'll click on import. Just click on import. Click on choose files. Click on choose files. Then I'll go to downloads.sql. So I'm going to import this .sql. This one. So I'll click open. Then I'll now scroll down. Then click go. Then wait for it for like 2 minutes. Everything will be imported. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, go. Boom. It's done. Everything is imported. So if I now reload, if I now go here now and reload, it's done. So if I now reload, I should be able to have good sites running now. So my sites should be running 247. Everything is okay. So this is fine. So next thing I'm going to do is, if you watch at this place, you see that this is writing not secure. Not secure. Click here, you see your connection to this site is not secured. You should not enter any sensitive information. I'm going to show you how to resolve that problem now, and then also how to edit this site now. Everything is in the admin dashboard. Before I will show how to solve this issue, let me log into the admin dashboard. Both the login details, everything is in that file. Just put /admin, click enter, admin, then okay, now it's even secure now. Admin, then I will username is admin. Anyway, you can still change it. Username and password is admin. Admin. So I want to change both the username and password at admin so that you'll be able to change it to anything you wish to do when you get this file. So now I want to change I want to start editing my site. I will now come to interface control, then click on logo, then you edit your logo. Very simple. Then click upload new logo. Click here. Then if you have any logo, upload it. Let's assume you don't have a logo. I'm going to show you how to design, how I created this logo. I done it now. After that, you now click update. Everything you do, click update. Everything will be updated. Then if you want to change the designs, the colors, you now click here. Basic settings. Click on basic settings. You see, you can change that red color to anything you wish to do and change it. Let's assume I want to change it to which color do you want them? Then let me go to Google here. Let me click best color combination. Best color combination. Let me check the best color combination. Okay, baby blue. I've not seen this one called baby blue. Let me click and see this baby blue. Oh, should I go back? Let me go back and view it as an image so that I'll be able to select the best color combination. Just any color you wish. So you know the color you want to do. So I don't know the color. So for me, okay, let me use this color. I think this color will be okay. So what you do is go to Google, type that color, click on images. You can see the color code here. Here's the color code here. You can copy it here and that color code. Send that color code here. I think I like this color. I like this one. This one is looking fine. It's really looking fine. So what I'm going to do is I want to use, so you can install this on your laptop. This thing is called the iDrop. So you can install it. So I'm going to use this iDrop and pick color from web page. I'll pick this color. I like this color. Pick this color. So I'm going to click on my iDrop here. I'll copy the color code here. The color code is this. Copy the color code. I'm not copying. Then I'll now come to my dashboard here and then change my color code. I'll change my color code. So change my color code. Where is my site? Okay. So where is my, okay, come here now. Let me change this color codes. Let's see what you're going to have. Paste. Okay, let me save it. Let me update it and see the color I want to update. Wait for it like 2 minutes. Update. Boom. Okay, see the color. Let me open my site here. See the color I have now. That's what's the color I want to have. Good. And this color is making sense. Looking sweet. So you see, I was able to change this one. So you see, I've changed it. You see, so I've changed that. So you see, it's looking neat. So the best thing to do is just get the color you wish. Then change it, edit it from the admin dashboard, and that is all. Then you want to link your payment gateway with the same method. Let me go back to admin dashboard, admin. So let me get back to here. So here under admin, everything you can see, everything here. Deposits, you can link, click on view. You can add more or click on view manual. You now entities. And this is view this manual. Or you can click on edit. Click on edit, and then edit this thing. Once you're done editing, but make sure you allow it on active. Don't let it active. Then you now click update. Everything will be settled. So compound, you can manage compound interest here. Everything here, you can click edit. This one is very simple. You can click edit. So that's how we are going to deliver a wonderful site like this and charge your clients at least 200,000 naira. That is for naira. So for those of my followers that charge in dollars, so I think a 200,000 naira will be $400. So $400. Let me say approximately $400. So if you need this code, just download it. To download it, it's just very simple. Once you click on download, where is it safe? Click here. Once you come to this place, click download code. Click here to download this code. It's very simple, very simple. Now you can choose. You can choose to pay with your card. Then you pay 16,000 naira. Because this is naira, my friends. Then, or you can do transfer as easy as possible. Just transfer to this account here. But if you pay now, once you are done paying, once the payment is successful, then this page tag will now reload you. So it will now direct you to the download link. I'm going to put this download link here on my Google Drive, so automatically it will pump up Google Disc Drive where you download the files. So you're going to, if you're using laptop, you're going to see like this. You click on this icon here and click download. Then, but if you are using phone, the same thing. Once you're done, so just link you up here. Then you now click on download. Now let me run it again. Once you download it, go get your name as domain name. Get your host. But if you don't have a domain name and you have a host, you can actually go to Freenom here. Like I've told people, this is just a secret. Go to Freenom here. Please say free domain. Just free. It's free for 12 months. Free. So, but if you have like that's $8 to $10, you can use it to go to Namecheap or go to any other